Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So WhatsApp will be developed by whom? Mark Zuckerberg.
Mark Zuckerberg. Mm.
He kept one small server in his home.
Mm-hmm.
Server
Mm-hmm.
means WhatsApp basically. Server means it is a combination of hardware and software. Okay.
Software. Yes, sir.
Hardware and software. Hardware means what and all the parts it consists of: RAM,
Mm-hmm.
ROM, and processor and all. Software
Mm-hmm.
means any of the Windows.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So some server is there. He
Mm-hmm.
given the app to some three friends, one, two, three. Let me tell, or four
Mm-hmm.
members,
Mm-hmm.
and he sent one message.
Mm.
The message is went to server. From server to it is responded to
The
the people
mm.
to. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Again the person to message it went to server. It is again
Mm-hmm.
replied back to the person one. Got it?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Now the three created a group in
Mm-hmm.
WhatsApp. They
Mm-hmm.
started to text. No, one person sent a message. This message
Mm-hmm.
is went to server first.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
it will not directly go to them. Okay, it will
Mm-hmm.
go to servers.
Mm-hmm.
Later, it
Mm-hmm.
is received by these two fellows.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Application is working good.
Mm-hmm.
Later, what happened? Mark Zuckerberg left
Mm-hmm.
the application in
Mm-hmm.
the New York City, complete New York. Let me take an example.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
New York,
Mm-hmm.
complete New York. He launched the application.
Mm-hmm.
That time, only three members are present in New York. No, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Let me take 10,000 people as an example.
Okay.
10,000 people are using the application. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
When these people are using the application, three members, the
Uh-huh.
application is working fine. But when 10,000 people started to use the application, no,
Mm-hmm.
sometime delay they have observed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Time delay means if I send hi message now, it is reaching the other people after 4 minutes, after 3 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the reason?
Mm-hmm.
He is analyzed or he hired a developer, let me tell.
Uh-huh.
Developer.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Developer said that
Uh-huh.
you are facing something called as
Uh-huh.
performance issue.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Why performance issue? Because
Uh-huh.
you are having too much load.
Uh-huh.
So the
Correct.
stability
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
of an application is not that much good.
Mm-hmm.
So your
Mm-hmm.
response
Mm-hmm.
time
Mm-hmm.
is delaying.
Delaying. Correct.
You got it right. Load
Yes.
means what now? Load
Yes.
means the number of people who are using the application.
Application. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Stability means the ability of the
Mm-hmm.
application
Mm-hmm.
to perform. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Speed.
Mm-hmm.
Response time means this is
Mm-hmm.
the time. A request response. Request response. This is the
Mm-hmm.
time. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Got it. Request response
Yes,
you
sir.
already know.
Yes, sir.
R1 plus R2. Request
Mm-hmm.
and response. Let me take.
Mm-hmm.
So you need to improve the
Mm-hmm.
performance.
Yes, sir. Mm-hmm.
Okay, performance. This fellow got it. Oh, Mark
Mm-hmm.
Zuckerberg.
Mm-hmm.
Later, what he's done, he improved some code.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever the code is written, no, he improved
Mm-hmm.
some code, and
Mm-hmm.
also he is increased the
Mm-hmm.
server size or
Mm-hmm.
compatibility. I can tell. What do you
Oh.
mean by compatibility?
Mm-hmm. Meaning with the.
Hardware and software will be there, no?
Mhm. Yes.
Hardware,
Yeah.
assume you are
Mm-hmm.
using a mobile of 4 GB RAM. RAM,
Mm-hmm.
you know, right?
Yes, sir.
And
Random access. Yeah.
128
Uh-huh.
GB internal memory.
Uh-huh.
You are having a mobile.
Uh-huh.
Let's suppose take example of Samsung. Okay.
Huh. Yes, sir.
If you're using regularly Samsung, the phone will become, performance issues will be more in Samsung.
Mm-hmm.
It will become slow or it will become hang.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Assume you have taken a 8 GB RAM phone
Mm-hmm.
with 256 GB internal memory with a very good processor. No? That
Mm-hmm.
time it
Mm-hmm.
will not become slow. You take an
Yes, sir.
example of iPhone. It will
Mm-hmm.
never be slow. Understood? It
Mm-hmm.
means the
Yes, sir.
performance they have
Mm-hmm.
handled properly.
Mm-hmm.
So, sir, what do you mean by performance testing?
Mm-hmm.
Third means what? First
Mm-hmm.
of all, number of users. Got it?
Users. Yes, sir.
Stability means ability of an application
Mm-hmm.
or ability of a code
Yes.
to what to withstand this load.
Correct.
Whatever
Correct. Yes.
10,000 load we are applying, no, that it
Yes,
should
sir.
withstand. Which should
Correct.
withstand? Our application should withstand. That is what we'll
Withstand.
call it as a stability. Got
Stability.
it?
Yes, sir.
Next, response time means the time taken to send the response to the server,
Uh-huh.
the time taken to get the response back from the server. Yes or
Correct.
no?
Yes, sir.
This is what we will call it as a response time.
Response
If
time.
you understand these three things, no, the
Yes, sir.
performance testing will be very easy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Testing the stability
Uh-huh.
and response time
Mm-hmm.
of an application
Mm-hmm.
by applying the load. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Testing the
Mm-hmm.
stability and response time of an application
Mm-hmm.
by applying the load is called as
Mm-hmm. Performance testing.
performance testing.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Simple example. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, sir, how to do this performance testing?
Mm-hmm.
Can we do it manually or
Mm-hmm.
can we go for automation?
Mm-hmm.
See, if you want to test a software for 10,000 people,
Yes, sir.
you need to hire 10,000 test engineers.
Oh.
Yes or no? One person using, no.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If I want to check the WhatsApp now I think some billions of people are using.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Can I hire billions of people to test my software?
No, it's not
No.
possible.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So that point of view, we need to
Uh-huh.
go for an automation.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So whatever the performance testing we'll do, that is
Mm-hmm.
in the automation, that is not manual.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what do you mean by load again? Load means number of
Number
users.
of
Stability
users.
means ability to withstand the load
Load.
of by the application. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
what is response time? Time taken to send the request to the server.
Server
And one
and
more one more word I will add. There will be some
yes.
code, no?
Yes, sir.
Time taken to run the code.
Oh, okay.
Yes or no? And
Yes, sir.
time taken
Yeah.
to respond, getting the response from the server.
From the server to the users.
Yes or no? This
Yes.
complete story is called as response time. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So you just take this as a screenshot. Please
Sure, sir.
write these things in your book, okay? Or else you
Notebook.
will forget. This example
Yes, sir.
only make you to
Yeah.
understand the concept. I am giving each and
Yes.
every concept one live examples.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes.
what we will call it as a live example. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
everything will go inside your mind at one shot.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Later you will not get any doubt.
Yes, sir. Correct.
So it is
Yes, sir.
better if you write all the examples, live examples
Yes, sir.
in your book.
Yeah. Yes, sir. While you were drawing it, I was also making it in my notebook, sir. Yeah.
Good, good.
Yeah. Sir, done.
Done, huh? Okay.
Yes. Sir. Yeah.
Now, performance testing means you understood.
Yes, sir.
Few people they will call this as a benchmark
Uh-huh.
testing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Members, they will call it as a benchmark
Benchmark testing. Yes.
testing
Yeah.
or
Mm-hmm.
baseline testing
Oh, okay.
or spike
Uh-huh.
testing.
Spike. Okay.
Yes. Or
Oh,
bottleneck testing
oh.
or
Mm-hmm.
break point
Mm-hmm.
testing
Okay.
or
Break.
threshold testing.
Oh,
Got it. There are many
yes, sir.
names.
Yes, sir.
Any name
Uh-huh.
meaning is safe. They are doing
Okay.
performance testing only. Got it.
Yes, sir.
So just note down these other names also because I
Yes,
don't
sir.
know in your US what they will call.
Yes, sir.
In India, we will call directly performance testing.
Yeah, actually, sir, I have heard my husband also saying performance testing only many times.
Okay.
Yeah.
There will be issue. Okay.
Yeah.
Done.
Yes, sir. Done, done.
Okay. Now let us see how it will work or what are the types. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what do you mean by load now?
Load means the number of users
Yeah.
for
What
that software.
number of users? That's it. Okay. Load means number of users.
Number of
What is
users.
stability?
Stability is the ability or the speed of the software to withstand the number of users.
Yes. Very good. So what is response time?
Response time is the time taken for respond
To
for
send the request to the server
to send the
and
request.
time taken to run the corresponding program in the server.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Time
Yes,
taken to get the response
response back from
from
the
the
server.
server.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down. Write
Yes,
down.
sir.
That is
Yeah,
important.
yeah, yeah. Time
So
taken
to send the
to send
request to the server
request to the server.
plus time taken to run the corresponding program inside the server
Time taken to run the corresponding program in the server.
run in the inside the server or
Yes, sir.
run in the server.
In the
Time
server.
taken to get the response from the server.
Mm-hmm. Time taken to get response from the server. Yes.
Okay. You
Yes, sir.
want to write down this one R1
Yes, sir.
plus R2
Mm-hmm.
plus R3
Yes, sir. Got it.
is equal to performance testing.
Yes.
Or you can write RP.
RP. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Good. So now let us go for types.
Okay, sir.
So what do you mean by how many types are there? Let me tell one by one.
Mm-hmm.
First one is load testing,
Mm-hmm.
stress testing,
Stress testing.
volume testing,
Mm-hmm.
scalability
Mm-hmm.
testing,
Yes, sir.
and fifth one is what? Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
I'm thinking. Yes, soak testing,
So,
soak or endurance
so
testing. Okay.
okay.
SOAK.
Mm-hmm.
How many types are there? Five types are there. Okay.
Yes,
Load
sir.
testing, stress
Mm-hmm.
testing,
Mm-hmm.
volume testing,
Yes, sir.
Repeat for 2 to 3 times.
Yes. Load testing, stress testing, volume testing,
Yes.
scalability testing, soak or endurance testing.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So day by day you are learning many technical words.
Yes, sir.
Many technical words. Okay. Each
Mm-hmm.
and every word, whatever I am speaking, it
Mm-hmm.
is new for you. I
Yes.
already told you in yesterday class. So it
Yes, sir.
is better if you know by heart or repeat it
Yes.
for many times.
Yeah. Keep going over it again and again.
Hmm.
Yes.
So now let us take
Hmm.
a customer. Okay. I
Hmm.
will take an example of customer.
Hmm.
Who is customer? Customer is a god for IT companies.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yeah.
Why God? Because he is the person who will pay, no?
Correct. Yes, sir.
You
Yeah.
want a software, he's giving
Yeah.
jobs for billions of people. So
Correct.
customer is God, no. There
God.
was
Yeah.
no God will come and he will give the work and also the salary.
Yes, sir.
That
Correct.
is
Yeah.
very good platform to get a good amount of salary compared to mechanical or civil or electrical or electronics. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yes, sir.
customer is a God now.
Yes, sir.
Customer WhatsApp, or let me take example Facebook. Facebook
Mm-hmm.
also, that fellow only the owner, no.
Mm-hmm.
Customer Facebook is given the requirement
Mm-hmm.
for performance testing. I'm not talking about any other testings like functional
Okay.
integration,
Mm-hmm.
that I'm
System.
not talking.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So he's telling that
Mm-hmm.
50,000 users
Mm-hmm.
means load is given. 50,000
Yes.
users used to use my application, needs to use my
Okay.
application,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
response time
Uh-huh.
should be
Uh-huh.
3 seconds. He is only
Oh, okay.
giving us direction.
Uh-huh.
Within three
Uh-huh.
seconds, any work, any action, if they are doing,
Mm-hmm.
that should work.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
This is the performance testing basic requirement is given
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
to a software company. Let me take a software company as an example. This time in
Mm-hmm.
India,
Mm-hmm.
TCS got a good, I mean, very good medal. Okay,
Oh,
so we
okay, sir.
take TCS only,
Mm-hmm.
not TCS, of a high TC. Sorry,
Mm-hmm.
TCS will never become a good company until unless the
Mm-hmm.
employees need to work by dedicating themselves. Because
Oh.
you know Ratan Tata, what he will do, he is
Uh-huh.
not firing anyone.
Okay.
If your
Mm-hmm.
performance is good or not good, he is thinking
Oh.
that they are their employees and not firing even one single fellow.
Oh my God.
So the people in ITC, no, not ITC,
Yes.
what is that? TCS.
Mhm. Yes, sir.
A few people are working, genuine
Uh-huh.
guys, and few people are
Oh.
wasting their time,
Oh my
but
God.
still they are getting the salaries. Okay, so the
Yes.
company is not growing beautifully nowadays. Let us take
Oh.
an ITC as an example.
Okay, sir.
Is given requirement for ITC. Business analyst went to collect the requirement. After business analyst collect the requirement, he converted CRS
Mm-hmm.
into SRS.
SRS.
Later, it is given
Mm-hmm.
to the
The architect.
who? Architect. Architect is
Yes.
done the high level and low level design.
Collaborative
Design is
designing.
completed.
Yes.
Later, coding is done, and while doing
Strategy
coding,
development.
they
Yes.
have this requirement also. So they need to write a good code.
Good
Okay.
code. Correct. Yes,
Test
sir.
the code from what is that? Test the code from
Test the
memory
code
point of view. Test the code
from
from performance point of view. They need to keep that in their mind. Okay.
correct. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Next
Mm-hmm.
coding is done. Now
Mm-hmm.
they have
Mm-hmm.
given for the testing. We are
Testing.
doing the testing. Sir, as soon as you get the software, no, you will do performance testing. No. First,
No.
always I will do functional testing, integration testing, system testing. Okay, those testings are done.
Oh. Oh,
Traditional
okay.
testings are done. Now
Okay.
I came to
Mm-hmm.
do the what testing?
Performance.
Performance
Performance.
testing.
Okay. Okay,
So
sir. Mm-hmm.
the number of users are 50,000, right?
Yes, sir.
So what I will do is what I will do is, this is the
Mm-hmm.
requirement they have given.
Yes, sir.
First, I will do one testing.
Mm-hmm.
Let me take one column,
Mm-hmm.
load,
Mm-hmm.
response,
Mm-hmm.
time. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
I applied the load of, I
Mm-hmm.
applied the load of, let me take, since the requirement says 50,000 users, no, I will
Yes.
apply the load of
Yes.
43,000.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
I got a response time of 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
Can I tell my performance testing is pass?
Well, the requirement is 50,000 and response time is 3 seconds. So I
Yes.
don't think so.
No, I am applying 43,000 and within
Yeah.
1 second I am getting the response. It means time
Yes.
taken to send request, run the
Is
code,
yeah.
response, everything.
Is good. Is
43.
good.
It's good, no?
Yes,
You
sir.
got it. It is good.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Next, what I am doing is 45,000 users.
Okay.
I got response in a
Mm-hmm.
2 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Next, I applied 49,000 load.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. I got
Uh-huh.
a response of 3
Three
seconds.
seconds. Yes, sir.
Good or bad?
Bad.
Why bad?
Because the load is 10,000, 1,000 more on that. So basically 50,000 users and
Now
it's
I will apply 50,000 also.
okay.
So you are deciding you are becoming god. Initially only you are telling. 3.2 seconds I got a response.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So testing pass?
No, sir.
No. Got it.
Yes, sir.
But
Yeah.
yeah,
Yes.
no. Let me take no.
Hmm.
No. Okay.
Hmm.
This one is pass. This is
Hmm.
pass. This is
Hmm.
pass. This is fail.
Yes.
Sir, 0.2 seconds, sir. It
Hmm.
is really matter. Yes, obviously it will be really matter, or else customer
Yes.
will not fund us.
Yeah.
Customer will tell
Oh.
software, you just fix this issue. Later we will
Mhm.
fund.
Oh.
Then what you are thinking? So
Oh.
as soon as you find a defect, what is your
Mhm.
flow?
Uh-huh. It goes back to the developer, sir.
Yes, sir. No, as soon as you find the
Yes, sir.
defect,
Yeah.
communicate to the
Developer.
developers.
Yes, sir.
What developers will do?
They will go back to the lines of code and then they will
Uh,
fix the issue.
yes, they will go to the source code, analyze the code,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
what they will do?
They will
Analyze the code, find the defect.
find the defect.
Next, fix the defect. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
After fixing the defect, they will do?
They will compile and compress.
No, they will do. They will do what?
Mm,
Think.
uh, after
See,
after
they went to the source code. Yes or no?
yes, sir. Yes,
They
sir.
have updated something inside the code.
Yes, sir.
So once developer touched the code, what he need to do?
Mhm. Uh, he has to. I think, sir, he will like
I
compress
think
and
yesterday morning I have done V&V model, no?
yes, sir. Yeah, yeah.
So last step
Mhm.
coding. After coding, what developer will do?
Mhm. Last step of coding. Let me look back, sir.
Ah, ah, ah.
Here, just a minute, sir. I'll just go back and check what we did. Basically, okay. Let me go to my notes. Um, Okay, there it is. Okay, so last step of okay. White box testing, sir.
Now tell, after fixing the defect, what will be done?
After fixing the defect, they will do white box testing and then compile and compress, and then they will send it to the test server.
Hmm. So, what developer will do after fixing the defect? He will do white box testing.
Yes, sir.
He will compile and compress, and he will give the new software to the test engineers.
Yes,
Test
sir.
engineers will go to the server, uninstall the old software, install
Correct.
the new software.
Correct.
Okay,
Yes. Yes,
and
sir.
do the retesting. Retesting means wherever we stuck, no,
Yes, sir.
which is the
Yes.
test case which is failed. As per
Yes.
the test case, now
Yes, sir.
50,000 users, 3.2 seconds we are getting.
Correct.
So this test
Correct.
case is failed. I
Yes,
need
sir.
to re-execute this test case. Again,
Yes,
I
sir.
will execute 50,000 users, okay, on the
Yes.
application.
Yes, sir.
I got a update, or I got a result. 50,000 users, I got a reply 2 seconds only.
Mm-hmm.
Within 2 seconds, the request
Yes.
went and response we received properly. So
Yes.
this
Yes.
is testing. This entire testing, what we have done is load testing.
Load
Okay,
testing. Okay, sir.
load testing. So what do you mean by load testing?
Mm-hmm.
See, I am telling you 50,000 users. No, 50,000
Yes, sir.
users means there is a software. What it will do, it will
Mm-hmm.
create 50,000 dummy users data. It means
Oh.
50,000 username, whatever
Mhm.
the dummy users names required and
Yes, sir.
passwords required, it will create within a fraction
Yes.
of second.
Yes, sir.
It will enter usernames on 50 times opening the Facebook application. The tool
Mm-hmm.
will open.
Mm-hmm.
50,000 usernames it will enter, 50,000 passwords it will enter,
Yes,
50,000
sir.
login buttons it will click at one shot.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So they are getting the response time of 1
Correct.
second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
This
Yeah.
entire process is called as load testing. Sir, what
Okay.
do you mean by load testing?
Hmm.
Tell me the definition of performance testing.
Performance testing is the uh, uh, just a minute, sir. I'm looking back. It's it's the time taken to send request to the server plus the
No,
time
no.
taken
Performance testing definition. I have given, no, here I have written below. Ah,
testing the stability and response time of an application by applying the load. By applying the
yes.
load is called performance
Yes.
testing. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Same way, load testing. Testing
Yes.
the stability and
Mm-hmm.
response time of an application by applying the load which is
Mm-hmm.
less than. Yes
Mm-hmm.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Which is
Correct.
less than or equal
Mm-hmm.
to the
Mm-hmm.
desired number of users.
Users. Correct.
Desired number
Yeah.
of users, how many? 50,000? No.
50,000.
Are
Yes, sir.
we increased the load more than that?
No.
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 Equal to
Mm-hmm.
or less than. Less than means
Less
what?
than.
43,000 is less.
Correct.
45 is less. 49
Mm.
is less. 50 is less. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So write down
Yeah.
types of
Types of.
performance testing.
Mm-hmm. Okay, sir.
Write down load
Yeah.
testing, stress
Mm-hmm.
testing, volume testing, scalability testing,
Mm-hmm.
and soak or endurance testing.
Yes, sir. I wrote this before. Yeah, yeah. I
Okay.
have it.
Now write
Yes.
down heading a load testing.
Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. Done.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Testing the stability and
Mm-hmm.
response time of an application
Mm-hmm. Testing the stability and
and
response time.
response time of an application by
Uh-huh.
applying the load
Mm-hmm.
which is
Time.
which is
Uh-huh. Which is
less than or equal to the
uh, the number of users.
Yes, which is less than or equal to the number of users is
Yes,
called as load testing.
load test. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you understood load testing, right?
Yes, sir.
Now let me go for the stress testing. Okay. Stress
Okay.
means what?
Stress. Stress means basically too much of work and inability to complete it.
Yes.
Yes.
Stress means
Yeah.
you need to put your brain more
Yes.
to get the output. Yes or no? But
Yes.
application is not having any brain. Application need to work for the load. So what
Mm.
I will do, I will
Mm.
enter 51,000 now.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes,
What
sir.
is that? 51,000 users. Response time,
Mhm.
I got 2.4 seconds. Good no?
Okay. Very good. Yes, sir.
55,000 I entered.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So I got 3 seconds.
Okay.
Good.
Very good. Yeah.
57,000 I applied.
Uh-huh.
57,000 I applied.
Yes,
I
sir.
got a reply on 3.1 second.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here I will stop doing the testing.
Okay.
That testing, what we will call it as a stress testing.
Stress.
See,
Oh.
I
Okay.
can
Okay.
take up to 3 seconds. So how much load I can withstand? Around 56,000 I can aram se withstand.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
around 56,000 I can withstand. It means that much stress I can take. The application is telling, hey, only 50,000. Don't worry, I can take up to another 5 to 6,000 extra.
Correct. Yes, sir.
That type
Yeah.
of code developer is written. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So testing the stability and response time of an application by applying the load which is
Uh-huh.
greater than the design number of users.
Oh, okay.
Got it? Which is
Yes,
greater
sir.
than the design number of users is called as what?
The design number of users is called stress testing.
Stress testing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now take this screenshot. Previous screenshot have you
Okay.
taken?
Yeah, the previous one, no, sir, I did not take the
You only
previous.
write, okay? Less than that or equal to that you write.
Yeah.
Timings
Yes.
you write, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Done. This screenshot is done. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm,
Now
mhm,
volume testing, okay?
Yes, sir.
What I will do,
Mhm.
request response is fine.
Yes, sir.
Uh, this is my laptop. Let me take an example. Okay.
Mm.
What I'll do, I will try to send a movie
Mm. Okay.
or videos.
Mm-hmm.
You went for a trip, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You have made a videos that you
Mm-hmm.
want to send.
Mm-hmm.
It is not a simple thing like message or login or something, no,
Mm-hmm.
because the data will be more. 10,
Mm-hmm.
let me take 100 MB,
Mm-hmm.
200 MB, 300 MB, 500 MB,
Mm-hmm.
1 GB, 2 GB. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
what I will do, I
Mm-hmm.
am testing the stability and response time of an application
Mm-hmm.
by transferring the huge amount of data. What I'm doing, huge
Transferring
amount
the
of data.
amount of data.
Sir, what do you
Mm-hmm.
mean by huge amount, sir?
Mm-hmm.
High message maybe 0.1 KB or 1 KB, 2 KB. Okay. I'm not
Mm-hmm.
messaging here. Rest of
Mm-hmm.
the things are there. You can share the location, you can share the video, audio files. Okay. That
Mm-hmm.
files MP4 or MP3, that type of 4K video you want to send. That type of
Mm-hmm.
data you are dumping into your database.
Mm-hmm.
Database is also a server, no?
Correct. Yes, sir.
So that database I am testing now here.
Uh-huh.
How I am transferring a huge data into
Uh-huh.
my server
Uh-huh.
to whether my application will stand or
Uh-huh.
not. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is what
Yeah.
we will call it as a volume testing.
Volume testing.
So
Okay.
testing the stability and response time of an application by
Mm-hmm.
transferring huge amount of data
Mm-hmm.
to the database. Yes or no? What I'm doing?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
transferring huge data to the database. This is
Database.
what we'll call it as a
Volume testing.
volume testing. Sir, what is the main purpose of this, sir? We need to check the
Mm-hmm.
capacity of
Mm-hmm.
the database.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is what we will call it as a volume
Volume
testing.
testing. Yes, sir.
Here, load and all will be not planning. We are planning a huge amount of
Data.
data.
Hmm.
Again, what do you mean by data?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which which occupies some space inside the database is also called as data. Data
Mm-hmm.
means something.
Mm-hmm.
Something which can take place inside the database or somewhere. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now just write down what we mean by volume testing.
Yes, sir.
Testing the stability
Yes, sir.
and response time of an application
Mm-hmm. Stability and response time
of an
of
application
application
by transferring huge volume of data.
by transferring huge volume
Volume of data
data. Yes, sir. Is
to
called
check the
volume.
capacity of the database
Oh, okay. To check the capacity. Okay, sir. Of database.
is called as
Volume testing.
hmm.
Yes, sir. Called as volume testing. Okay, sir. Done.
Okay.
Yes,
Done.
sir.
Nice.
Yeah.
So
Mm.
you just take the screenshot of this diagram.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Done,
So
sir. Done.
what do you mean by load testing now?
Load testing is uh, the stability and response time by applying the load, which is
Hmm.
less than or equal to the number of users, is known as
Stress
load testing.
testing means
Stress testing is if you it is the stability and response time by increasing by applying the by increasing the number of by increasing the amount of load, not number of load, by increasing the amount of load
testing the
which is
stability and response time of an application by applying the load which is greater than the design number of users. That's
okay,
it.
which is greater than the design number of
Mhm.
users. Okay, let me make a note, sir, of that.
Yeah, yeah.
So here for this I have to write by applying the load which is greater than the number of users. Just that much part I have to change there. Greater than the
Hmm.
number of users. Yes. Yeah. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So now let us see what do you mean by scalability testing.
Hmm.
Scalability,
Hmm.
have you heard the name of scalability?
No, sir. No.
We need to measure.
Mm-hmm.
Scalability means scale means what? We used to measure
Measure.
something. No?
Yes, sir.
So we
Yeah.
need to measure how much load it can take, my application can take. So
Mm-hmm.
since we have applied 56 already,
Mm-hmm.
56,000 I'm applying and
Mm-hmm.
the response of 3 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no? I will
Yes, sir.
go for 60,000.
Mm-hmm.
I got a response in 3.1 second. So if I
Okay.
stop my testing, then it will become a what testing?
Mm-hmm.
It will become a stress testing. Yes or
Stress
no?
testing. Yes, sir. Yeah.
What I will do? 65,000.
Mm-hmm.
4 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Since my application is working fine,
Mm-hmm.
70,000,
Mm-hmm.
5 seconds,
Mm-hmm.
80,000.
Mm-hmm.
Server
Mm-hmm.
crashed.
Crash.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It means I am measuring the load
Uh-huh.
which how much my application can take.
Oh,
So
okay.
this is what we will call it as a breakpoint.
Breakpoint. Okay.
So what do I mean by breakpoint, sir? Again, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So testing the stability and response time of an application
Mm-hmm.
by
Testing.
applying the load which is greater than the desired number of users
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
to ensure the breakpoint of an application where the server will get crash.
Okay. Yes,
That
sir.
is what we will call it as a scalability
Scalability
testing.
testing.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Very
Sir,
easy.
do you have a definition of
Hmm.
that, like in written form, sir, so that I can take a screenshot of that?
No, pa.
Okay,
So
okay.
only no, I am telling.
Yes, sir. But you were telling fast, so I couldn't write it.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
No, no,
yes.
I'm just explaining you. Later I
Oh,
will
okay.
tell you. I will tell
Okay,
you
okay.
to write no.
Okay,
Now
okay.
I'm telling
Yeah.
you, explaining you the concept.
Got it.
Scalability means what? We
Hmm.
need to
To
check the
measure.
breakpoint or
Yes.
server where it will crash. How you
Crash.
can test? By applying the load which is
Load.
greater than design number of users.
Correct.
Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
gradually increasing the load,
Mm-hmm.
at one point we'll find that okay,
Mm-hmm.
this point of view we are the server is getting crashed. Got it?
Yes, sir. But sir, if
So
the
write down
server is getting crashed, then won't it affect the other work also? Like the
what
test,
other work.
like if the testing server got crashed with this
Hmm.
testing, so if
Server crashed means it is not like your James Bond movie blast it will happen.
okay, sir.
Got it?
Okay.
It will not
Uh-huh.
respond basically.
Oh, okay, okay. Now I
You are
understood.
thinking that somebody is will throw the bomb at it and it is getting blast. It is not like that. Got
Yeah.
it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I understood. Got it, sir. Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now breakpoint is done. Now write down the notes.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Testing the stability
Mm-hmm.
and response time of an application
Mm-hmm. Testing stability
by
and
applying the load
of an application
application,
by
applying
applying
the load
uh-huh, applying the
gradually
load gradually. Yes, sir.
in an increment manner
Uh-huh. In increment manner
to check the breakpoint of an application
check the breakpoint
of an application
application.
where
Mm-hmm.
the application will get crash.
Where the application
Will
will
get
get
crash
crash. Yes, sir.
is called as
Scalability
yes.
is called as scalability. Called
Testing.
as scalability testing. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Done. Yes, sir. Done.
1 second.
Yeah.
So what I'll do,
Hmm.
this is also done.
Hmm.
You understood. Okay. Now,
Yes. Hmm.
sir, performance testing is done, so we can launch our application to the market.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes what will happen?
Hmm.
Sometimes what will happen?
Yes, sir.
This thing you can face in a YouTube or something like Facebook also, WhatsApp also.
Mm-hmm.
You have created a group with 300, 400 members. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
There are only one group in this world, or many groups are there? Many
Mm-hmm.
groups are there, no?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
am
Many.
applying 50,000 users. I am applying and I am getting a
Mm-hmm.
response. 2 to 3 seconds, it is working fine.
Mm-hmm.
What if continuously I'm sending the messages?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no? One time
Yes.
checked, fine.
Uh-huh.
Like when you want to buy a mobile, no, what you will do, you will go to the showroom. You will check the mobile for 1 or 2 times, or 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Later, you bought the mobile.
Mm-hmm.
You took that mobile, you came to your home.
Mm-hmm.
You installed PUBG. You know PUBG?
No, sir.
PUBG you don't know. There is a game called as PUBG.
Oh, okay.
During COVID time, we used to play. Okay.
Oh, okay.
And it is a gun and all, will terrorist, everything will be there. Okay.
Oh,
100
okay.
members will be there. You need to play that game.
Oh, okay.
Why I have taken this mobile to play the game only. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
I
Mm-hmm.
just installed the game. I'm playing
Uh-huh.
the game. See, I
Uh-huh.
used it 5 minutes or 10 minutes and I bought the mobile. Here I'm playing that game for one
Uh-huh.
hour
Uh-huh.
or
Uh-huh.
5 hours
Uh-huh.
or more than that.
Uh-huh.
Obviously, I have played during
Uh-huh.
COVID time. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So I need to check my mobile will work for another 1 hour, 5 hours. No, I
Uh-huh.
haven't checked it during my when I was in the showroom.
Uh-huh.
Similarly, the application also, customer will not be the stay with you for 1 week or 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whether my
Mm-hmm.
application will work or not. You will
Yes,
check
sir.
the performance testing. You will tell
Yes.
load, stress, volume, scalability done.
Yes.
And you also must and should you have to do the so-called endurance testing. Why, sir?
Uh-huh.
Here, what I will do, I will apply the load continuously for a particular period of time. Sir, particular
Okay.
period of time means what, sir? One
Uh-huh.
week or
Oh.
2 weeks.
Okay.
Here,
Okay.
no need of sitting. You need to write a code.
Uh-huh.
Your husband will write automation script and
Uh-huh.
is repeated loop. Some loop is applied.
Uh-huh.
Okay, that time the same code running, opening application, entering data. This complete process is going on.
Uh-huh.
How many days? 1 week continuously.
Uh-huh. Oh.
If my
Uh-huh.
application is working for 1 week, no,
Uh-huh.
I'm sure that it will work for 1 year also because it is code, no.
Oh. Okay. Correct. Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
for a long time means 1 week, if I've checked it means obviously it will work for 1 year or
Correct.
2 years.
Yes, sir.
Until unless you have a good capacity of your servers.
Correct.
Got it? This is
Yes,
what
sir.
we will call it as a so-called endurance testing. So what do you mean
Oh.
by so-called endurance testing? Testing the stability and response time of an application by
Mm-hmm.
applying the load continuously for a
Mm-hmm. Week
specific period of time.
for a specific. Okay.
Okay, for a
Specific.
specific period of time
Okay, sir.
is called as
Endurance.
so-called endurance testing.
Yes, sir. Period of time is called as so for endurance. Okay. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, testing the stability and response time of an application
Mm-hmm.
by applying the load
Applying the load.
continuously for a particular period of
Period of
time is
time.
called as
So called endurance testing.
yes. Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
these are the 5 types. Take the
Mm-hmm.
screenshot of this.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
This much will be involved. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Screenshot means.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Done.
Now, sir, then how to do this performance testing? Can you
Mm-hmm.
explain?
Mm-hmm.
I can explain you. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Theoretically, if you get an opportunity to work in a company as a performance test engineer, you will get a real-time hands-on work.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how the tool looks? I will give you a basic example of how the tool will looks. Before that, how many tools are available? Let me see.
Yes. Yes.
What and all tools available in the market
Mm-hmm.
to do the what testing?
Performance.
Performance
Yes.
testing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mostly used tool in the market is JMeter.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And there is something called as Neoload.
Mm-hmm.
And there is something called as Silk Performance
Mm-hmm.
Tool.
Mm-hmm.
Rational Performance
Mm-hmm.
Tool.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Load Runner.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Or we have one more tool called as QA Load.
Mm-hmm.
So these many tools they will use in the market. JMeter most
Mm-hmm.
of them will use, and also Load Runner.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is specifically some companies. Silk will be used by some companies. Rational will be used by IBM. Already told.
Oh,
Rational means IBM
yes.
only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
like that, few companies they want their own tools means they will develop their tools. This load
Mm-hmm.
runner and JMeter will be used by many companies. Around
Okay,
70
sir.
80% companies they will use. Okay.
Oh,
But the
okay.
functionality remains same.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what do you
Yeah.
mean by functionality remains same?
Mm-hmm.
You take an example of Uber. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Uber, what is there? Booking a cab, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Same way, we have one more application in India that is Ola.
Yes, sir.
Same. The
Yes, sir.
look and feel means color or
Mm-hmm.
texture or some wording that will be
Mm-hmm.
changed, but the working principle of the application remains same.
Same. Correct. Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Mm-hmm.
Similarly, this
Mm-hmm.
tools also same.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Got
Okay.
it, sir.
So I
Yes,
will
sir.
give you an idea how the tool will look, so you will get a complete idea. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there
Yes.
is something called as start record button.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then you will get something called as stop record button.
Okay.
Okay. Start
Mm-hmm.
record and stop
Stop
record
it. Yes, sir.
buttons we will be having. And
Mm-hmm.
we have something called as where is the triangle? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Not this triangle. Appa. One second.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Let me write.
Okay, sir.
This triangle you have seen, I think.
Yes, sir.
And this circle you have seen.
Yes, sir.
And this is you have seen. What is this? Play, pause, and stop, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes.
In the
Play,
music
pause,
player.
and stop. Correct. Yes, sir.
In music player, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is a play button or run
Oh.
button.
Mm-hmm.
This is stop
Stop.
button. This is pause button.
Pause button.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
got it.
Yes, sir.
Now next, what will be there? Let me write. Okay,
Uh-huh.
number of users or load something will be there. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Next
sir.
URL where you want to text. URL means uniform resource locator. Okay,
Oh, okay.
uniform resource locator.
Yes, sir.
Start time
Mm-hmm.
and end time.
End time.
So what do you mean by start time, end time? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let me guide you how the application will work. This is a basic way I will guide you. Okay,
Okay, sir.
simple way.
Uh,
Okay.
mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
First, what you need to do,
Mm.
what action you want to do. What
Mm-hmm.
action you want to do?
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I want to do or I want to check the login action. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What I will do, I will click on start record. That's what I will do.
Mm-hmm.
I will click
Mm-hmm.
on start record
Mm-hmm.
button. As soon as I click on the start record button, you
Mm-hmm.
you you see there is a close, minimize, and maximize button, and also the cancel
Yes, sir.
button in your
Yes.
laptop. Yes, sir.
Correct.
Now it
Yes, sir.
will minimize. If you click on
Yes, sir.
start record, no, the tool will get
Yes, sir.
minimized like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
And this is a performance tool. If you click
Yes.
on that one, it will get minimized like this. Okay.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Later,
Mm-hmm.
you need to do some action. What you
Mm-hmm.
want to do? You need to
Action.
perform some action. Sir, what do you mean by perform an action?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Perform action. This
Uh-huh.
is step two. I want to log in. No, what I will do, I will open the Facebook.
Uh-huh.
Okay, by opening the browser, I will
Uh-huh.
enter www.facebook.com. I will
Facebook.com.
enter my, I will click on the button.
Mm-hmm.
In the
Mm-hmm.
Google, there will be a link. I will click on that link. I will get the Facebook page,
Mm-hmm.
welcome page, or you can tell it as a login page, okay,
Login
or
page.
sign
Yes.
up page, where I will
Yes.
enter some username and password, and I will click on login button. So my
Uh-huh.
home page will display.
Correct.
This action I will do.
Yes, sir.
Let me tell performance action or login
Yes.
action I will do. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Login action.
Action. Yes.
I've done the login action.
Yes,
Once
sir.
after login action is done, again I will open my application like this. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Where
Mm-hmm.
where it is, okay. Where I will click on stop recording now. Where
Mm-hmm.
I will click on
Mm-hmm.
stop recording.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
It means like a video record I have done, screen record.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So this is my J meter. What it will do,
Oh.
this is my
Uh-huh.
J meter
Uh-huh.
or any of the application. What
Uh-huh.
it will do, my J
Uh-huh.
meter,
Uh-huh.
this whatever the actions I have done,
Correct. Yes, sir.
these actions it will
Uh-huh.
convert into a automation script.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whatever after start recording, what and all actions I have done, it is
Uh-huh.
recording the screen. No, in the background it
Yes,
is
yes,
converting.
sir.
Okay.
Correct. Yes, sir. Yeah.
So this action will be converted into automation script. Who has done that
Mm.
job? Of J meter is done that job.
Payment.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is ready. Now
Mm.
inside my J meter there is some script.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what I will do?
Mm-hmm.
Customer told me, or I
Mm-hmm.
want to do the stress testing.
Mm-hmm.
51,000 I need to enter. No.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Or I want to do the load testing.
Uh-huh.
47,000 load I applied.
Uh-huh.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
47,000 I entered.
Uh-huh.
Which URL? Which URL? www dot.
Facebook.com.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
www dot. If you type no.
Uh-huh.
If your application is present in the production server means
Uh-huh.
where the end users we are using the application, but testing server will not get the URL as a www dot. Okay.
Okay, sir.
HTTP, yes means secured.
Oh,
S
okay.
is not there, it is not secured. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Something Facebook
Uh-huh.
slash dot com slash
Uh-huh.
something and all will be there. I don't know. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Some login. This is a
Uh-huh.
URL.
Uh-huh.
So what is URL, sir? Okay.
Uh-huh.
Let me show you URL. Uh, Facebook.
Mm-hmm.
You can see here something is there, no?
Yes, sir.
This
Yeah,
is URL.
correct. Oh, okay.
If I click on this button, the
Uh-huh.
URL changed. Got it?
Correct.
So
Yes,
for
sir.
each and every page, the URL will be different. So I
Correct.
am enter some login URL.
Uh-huh.
Now I clicked on. See, this is the action number one. Can I tell?
Uh-huh.
Step number one, what I have done. This script I
Uh-huh.
have done. Whatever start recording is done. Action I have done. This
Uh-huh.
perform action, what who's done? Me only done manually. Next stop
Uh-huh.
recording is done. So
Uh-huh.
this performance action will be converted into automation script. This is second step.
Uh-huh.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
no.
Yes, sir.
Third
Yeah.
step, I clicked or I entered the, or else you take first step is this one.
Start record.
Start recording. It is there, no? Okay, stop
Yes, sir.
recording will
Yeah.
be
Yeah.
third step. Let me tell
Third step.
this
Uh,
one sec. Tell it.
mm-hmm.
Tell it. So this will be first step.
Uh-huh.
This will be the second step. This will be the third step.
Yes, sir.
Next, fourth step, again, manually I am entering a 47,000 users. I am
Uh-huh.
enter the URL.
Uh-huh.
Next, I will click on run button.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
In your laptop, you can see the time and date, no, here.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Similarly,
Uh-huh.
when as soon as you click on the run button,
Uh-huh.
your start time will take like
Okay.
8-7 now.
Uh-huh.
With seconds also it will take
Yes, sir.
8,
Uh-huh.
7,
Uh-huh.
uh, 5 seconds.
Uh-huh.
That time I have started my recording.
Uh-huh.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
It will take.
Uh-huh.
Now, there is something called as virtual user generator inside my virtual user
Uh-huh.
generator.
Uh-huh.
Where it is present? It is present inside my JMeter. As soon
Oh.
as I enter the
Uh-huh.
load, no, as soon as I
Uh-huh.
enter the load of
Yes,
47
sir.
users, in the
Yes, sir.
background, it is
Yes, sir.
created the dummy users already.
Got it. Got it, sir. Yes, sir.
It is ready with the dummy
Yes.
users. And you
Yes, sir.
enter the login page, it means
Yes, sir.
username, password, all the dummy data, it is created and it is ready with
Yes.
that. As soon as you click on the run button,
Run button. Yes, sir.
the dummy users of how
Uh-huh.
many thousand? 47,000
47,000. Yes, sir.
users, the load will be go send the request to the server.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yes,
Who
sir.
is doing that job? My automation script or my
Script.
JMeter is doing that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All 47,000 users request will go to the server, and inside the server some program will run.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Okay. And we will get the response from
Uh-huh.
all the 47,000 dummy users.
Dummies.
If
Yeah.
that request, if I get within
Mm-hmm.
a
Mm-hmm.
within a
Mm-hmm.
8 8
Mm-hmm.
7 0
Mm-hmm.
5 6 7 8
Mm-hmm.
0 7, let me take 2 seconds completed. Got it?
Mm-hmm. Yes,
See
sir.
how fast it is. Rapa
Mm-hmm.
rapa. You just
Mm-hmm.
blink your eyes, done.
Mm-hmm.
It
Yes,
is
sir.
giving you a end result.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now I can tell my testing
Mm-hmm.
is pass.
Okay, got it, sir.
That's
Yeah.
it. This is
Mm-hmm.
how we will do the performance
Mm-hmm.
testing.
Mm-hmm.
Assume if it is taking a time is keep on going 7, 8,
Uh-huh.
9, 10, 11. It is not stopping. It means
Uh-huh.
there is a problem inside the script.
Correct.
It is a problem inside the code, not in the script
Correct.
code.
Okay.
Which
Okay.
code the developers
The
written the
developers
code, no?
code. Yes, sir.
So that is a defect.
Yeah.
I will take the screenshot and I
Uh-huh.
will share that to the
Uh-huh.
developer, but
Developer.
by telling that see this it is taking too much of time.
Uh-huh.
Performance testing is fail.
Uh-huh.
That time what developer will do? He will go and he will open the source code. I will teach
Mm-hmm.
you tomorrow. Test the code
Yes,
from
sir.
memory point of view. Test the code from performance point of view. I have given no. They will
Uh-huh.
apply those ideologies over there. Okay. They will
Oh,
try
okay.
to reduce the uh, whatever the what is that volume of the code, and they will improve the
Okay.
performance of the code. Something they will do.
Okay,
After
sir.
that, they will compile and compress into a software. They will give the new software, uninstall the old software in the server, install the new software inside the server.
Uh-huh.
Later,
Uh-huh.
start doing the testing. It means again start recording, do the
Yes.
action,
Uh,
stop recording. So
uh-huh.
all the action is converted into automation script.
Mm-hmm.
Now what you need to do, you need to enter the data. As soon as you enter some data in the number of users, some dummy
Uh-huh.
data will be created by my virtual user generator.
Uh-huh.
Enter the URL, click on
Uh-huh.
start recording button.
Uh-huh.
It will take the date and time. Immediately it will give you a response.
Uh-huh.
That response time only we will call it as a
End
normal
time.
response time. Okay, R1 plus
Okay.
R2 plus R3. This is a
Okay.
response time. Based on the
Okay.
response time, we will decide my performance testing is pass or fail.
Fail. Okay, sir.
This entire story is called as performance testing. How
Performance
to do?
test.
How to
Oh.
do the performance testing. This is how we will do the performance testing.
Mm. Okay.
So when I can do performance testing once after doing the black box testing like
Uh-huh.
functional integration, system, smoke, ad hoc,
Uh-huh.
regression, etc., etc. Later we need
Yes,
to
sir.
do the performance testing.
Oh.
When?
Okay.
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 Why we
So.
should do the performance testing? To
Mm-hmm.
ensure that my
Mm-hmm.
application will withstand the number
Load.
of users or load. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir. Got it. So, sir,
So
manual testers also do performance testing then?
once manual test engineer
Uh-huh.
worked for some years, no, he will get the experience. Later, he will be involved in performance testing. Actually, a
Uh-huh.
few lines of code is required to write. Okay,
Oh. Okay,
but
sir.
not like a automation test engineer. There will be some basic things
Okay,
performance
sir.
test engineer need to do. That if
Uh-huh.
you do, then
Uh-huh.
the performance testing he can do easily. And
Oh.
the job vacancy for performance test engineers are less.
Oh, okay.
Got it.
Mm-hmm.
Why, sir? Why? Because see, we are
Uh-huh.
doing performance testing at
Uh-huh.
last
Yes,
stage.
sir. Yes,
Before
sir.
there are many testing process. No,
Yes. Yes, sir.
the testing process involved more manpower compared to the performance testing since it is automation.
Oh, okay.
Many users
Okay.
are not required. No, to
Yes, sir.
replace the number of humans, automation came into the market.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
that is the thing.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So this
Yeah.
is how our application will work. Got it.
Hmm.
So
Yes,
run
sir.
button, can I tell this as a fourth point,
Yes, sir.
or this will be a fourth point, entering the data,
Yes.
and this will be the fifth point. This will
Mm-hmm.
be sixth point. This is a seventh point.
Mm-hmm.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
This is what we'll call it as a performance testing.
Performance testing.
So you completely understood what is performance testing, what
Yes,
is
sir.
load,
Yes, sir.
what is that stability, and what is response time, what are the
Yes, sir.
types of performance
Performance
testing and
testing.
tools.
The tools. Yes, sir.
Got it.
Yes,
So
sir.
you just take this as a screenshot and write
Sure.
the story in your
Okay, sir.
words. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yes. Take the screenshot.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done. Yeah.
So this is what performance testing means.
Performance testing. Yes, sir.
I'm
Yeah.
giving you complete knowledge. Okay. Once you get the
Yes, sir.
job,
Yes, sir.
you can just go through my notes, and you
Yes,
can
sir.
also get the kit. You will get the KT from your team. KT means knowledge transfer from your team.
Yes, sir.
They will guide you
Okay, sir.
how to do, what to do, and all.
Mm-hmm.
Later
Okay,
you
sir.
can do this process. So if you have this idea, no, in interview they
Yes, sir.
might ask what is performance testing. You
Mm-hmm.
can tell, sir, I haven't worked on performance testing, but I have an idea how
Yes,
to
sir.
do it. You
Correct.
explain this complete story, no, it will be
Yes, sir.
impressed because you
Sure.
know the concept now. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay, then we can end up the class today,
Okay. Okay, sir.
or else if I start one more concept, it will take time.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
So, sir, next class is when
Next
is the
class I
next?
will update in the group like
Okay, sir.
maybe Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Fine, fine. No problem. No problem. Okay,
Tuesday
sir.
morning and evening, if possible, I will take. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, Tuesday also there's RRR session, sir, at for
Our
us.
session is okay. I will speak with
Okay.
them, or
Okay.
they will tell me to cancel the class. I will tell them to cancel our session. Something we will plan.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
You
Okay,
have
sir.
taken the
Thank you.
screenshot, no?
Yes, sir. Taken. Taken. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
pa.
Yes,
Then
sir.
we can
Yeah.
catch up. Bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah.